Jealousy is a common emotion experienced by dogs, often triggered when their owners focus attention on other pets. Dogs are highly social animals, and they form strong bonds with their human companions. When these bonds are challenged, such as when another animal receives affection or treats, dogs may feel excluded or anxious. This sense of being left out can lead to behaviors like whining, nudging, or even acting out to regain their owner's attention. Understanding this emotional response is important for maintaining a harmonious relationship with all pets in the household. As the person kneels down to greet a friendly dog in the park, their own dog watches from a short distance away. The original dog's ears droop and its tail lowers, betraying a sense of disappointment. It shifts its weight anxiously, letting out a soft whine and glancing repeatedly between its owner and the newcomer. Occasionally, it inches closer, trying to nudge its owner's hand or catch their attention. These subtle behaviors reveal the dog's jealousy and longing for affection, hoping to reclaim its owner's focus. In summary, common signs of jealousy in dogs can include attention-seeking behaviors, such as nudging or barking, as well as possessiveness over toys or people. Some dogs may act out by pushing between you and another pet, or even displaying mild aggression. If you notice these behaviors, it's important to remain calm and patient. Offer your dog reassurance with gentle affection and consistent routines, making sure each pet feels valued. By providing positive reinforcement and spending quality time with your dog, you can help ease feelings of jealousy and strengthen your bond.